top 10 WordPress plugin which you must know before launching your website, because these plugins are not just using for a high very converting landing pages or website. It is used for all businesses, all type of e-commerce, all type of maybe your blogging website, each and every business type of website you can use this and get results and get more search, get more engagement, and get very basic management that you need to. Because whenever you create a website, you forget some of the important plugin setup which makes your work very easier. Maybe your backup, maybe you're hiding your login credential, maybe your some security, malware security, maybe your some others traffic analytics. So these are the many important things you must consider. So today in this video, we will talk about top 10 WordPress plugin which all will help you to enhance your work and make your work very easier, very managed. So first plugin is WordFence. WordFence is one of the best plugin if you are working with your WordPress website and you don't want any malware attack, any scam, then you must use WordFence security plugin. It protects your website from scammers, from the malware attacks. Like sometime your website server just go down and your website slows. So this plugin help you. And second one is Google Sitekit. Google Sitekit is the integration of Google where you can integrate automatically with the Google Search Console and Google Analytics, where you can see real-time data, real traffic. And also there you will see the loading speed on desktop or mobile. And after having so much traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense on your WordPress dashboard when you will install and activate Google Sidekick. Third is Updraft Plus. Updraft Plus is used for the backup whenever you just make the changing on your website and you just get some problems. So when you when you'll have a backup, then you can restore further. You don't need to just have scared that you have lost the data. No, when you will have a draft plus, then you don't worry about the data, the backup, because you can restore whatever the things you have done in the past, maybe yesterday, maybe 5 days ago, you can get back if you will do backup by using Updraft Plus. Fourth is Lightspeed Cache. Lightspeed Cache is used more than 10 million people. Why? Because it gives you cache, CDN, image optimization, page optimization. Like it's make your website more faster by reducing your CSS or JavaScript. It's a kind of coding from which our website becomes more heavier. So it slows down its timing, its speed, so it helps. So you can use Lightspeed Cache with WordPress. Okay. And the fifth is WP form. You have to make a inquiry form using WP form because it's just a drag and drop. By just drag and drop, you can make a very beautiful form. But but if you want this form email notification on your mail, on your Gmail, how you can do it? You have to use SMTP. That is our sixth plugin. SMTP helps you to send you email notification by whenever the user fills form, you will get the notification. And the customer will also get the notification. Thank you for fill up all the details. We will get back to you soon. Like this kind of messages you can send and that will be very professional. So this can be done by WP SMTP mail. Okay. This is a plugin which integrate your mail, and whenever the user fills up the form, you will get the email notification. Seventh is Rank Math SEO. If you want to come on search engine, then you have to do Rank Math SEO. You know by creating a website, if you will not come search engine, then there is a no use of creating or building a website. So you must use RankMath SEO so that you can optimize your pages, you can do SEO, you can just make your post, make your page SEO friendly, so that you can come on search engine, come on so that you can rank on search engine. Eighth plugin is Jetpack. When you want to make your website more secure, more healthier, and you want to in the foreign country, like out of country, you want your website should do appear very smoothly, then Jetpack provides CDN, okay, content delivery network, which makes your website very smoother out of country. They can access on their server. So Jetpack provides this features. Ninth plugin is that Monster Insight. Monster Insight is one of the best plugin where you can see the very real data, like which keywords are ranking, which traffic is coming from which pages or posts, like real time traffic you can measure from the Monster Insight. There is a one more plugin which provides you pop-up builder, like you can make a pop-up on your website. And the 10th is my favorite, I personally use, that is WPS hide logging. Because in the WordPress dashboard, whenever we log in, we just type URL, that is our domain slash WP admin. When you just type, you will come on the login page where we have to put username and password, and when you give, then you will appear on your WordPress dashboard. So we don't need to appear this on user base. We want to hide this because everyone knows that whenever we want to go on WordPress dashboard, we need to type URL, that is domain slash WP dash admin, which is very similar and everyone knows. So we have to change this URL, login URL. So by using WPS hide logging, you can change your login URL. You can give anything, your any personal name or anything, so that no one knows your login URL. Okay, so these are the top 10 plugin which will make your website more smoother and make your website management work very. So tell me in the comment which plugin do you like most and which plugin you first time hear about their features. Let let me know in the comment. And if you want to add some more plugins, then write in the comment that you can add. You can just use this plugin also. It will just enhance your world. You can add in the comment. So it will help us and also our all audience, all our community. Okay, if you like, if you got this video helpful or informative, just like this video, share to your friends, whoever needs this kind of plugin to just enhance their work, to enhance their website, optimize their website, share them. If you did not subscribe it, just subscribe this channel because I come with the very various type of topic which is related to digital marketing, website, SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, and I will make for you a very in-depth video. So make sure you have subscribed this channel. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you so much and bye-bye.